Allow the witness to answer,
Okay.
counsel.
Yes. May mga activities, programa, kalihukan in Bisaya reflected in the reports, accomplishment reports, na hindi naman mababasa, makikita, nailista sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
Libog. Nalito ako, Your Honor.
Nandito ka. Anyways, Your Honor,
Ma'am, sa accomplishment report, yes, Senator Judge Zubiri, would you like to offer your services?
Yes, actually, not the services to interpret, but it's possible that Attorney Ligutan could ask the question in Bisaya para maintindihan, kasi pareho kami mga Bisaya, para maintindihan ni Ma'am Acosta. And then, anyway, it can be objected to by the defense because I know there are 3 or 4 of you, Bisaya, taga Cebu, tulo mo diya, nakasabot. So, you can always object if the translation of Attorney Ligutan is wrong, is different. It's simple Bisaya naman. Pakasabot man ta, pero ang
No, hindi pwedeng Bisaya.
Tagalog din, hindi kasabot. But it's very simple.
yes,
So,
Hindi lang Bisaya nanonood, ah.
stopping. Attorney Ligutan can ask the question first in Tagalog and then translate to simple Bisaya. Makatubag ni si Ma'am, she can answer. And then, Attorney Ligutan can offer the answer also in Tagalog.
English.
If it
Di ba
is
pwede
not
mag-English?
of course, approved by the defense can give a clarification of what the answer of the lady witness has.
The point of the
Thank you very
Senator
much.
Judge is well taken. Let's try to do that,
Okay, now.
counsels, with your permission. Yes, Attorney Bakel?
Anak,
Yes, Your
wala
Honor. May
nga.
we respectfully suggest for a court-appointed interpreter considering that hindi po kasi ako Bisaya. So actually nahihirapan po ako to understand the witness, understand Attorney Ligutan, and understand my colleagues who are likewise.
If you may, if you will please, we already have an interpreter, actually 2 of them here,
Yes, sir.
that will course it through the chair if there is a need to do so.
Sa
Some of the
records yan
words are
eh.
understandable. Anyway, kindly proceed slowly, Attorney Ligutan.
I will.
But on this issue and this question, Ms. Acosta, ang tanong po sa inyo, may mga nilagay po kayong accomplishment report na wala dun sa physical and financial plan. Na sinabi nyo lamang o tinisip nyo lang, kasama yan sa good governance program.
Ang nasulat sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, is yung mga expenses na allowable po sa confidential funds.
Opo, pero wala nga po yan, hindi yan nilagay doon sa physical and financial plan. Nakalagay lang po sa accomplishment report.
Sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, kung actual.
Kaya nga, doon nga lang po nakasulat. Sa physical and financial plan, wala po doon.
Generic po ang sa
Generic.
physical financial
Okay.
plan, Your Honor.
Attorney Ligutan, continue.
Opo.
Tapos, kanina pa umaamin to
Nasa
si
Q&A
Acosta eh.
discussion.
Huli ka, Balbon.
And because the program indicated in the plan is broad and general, generic sabi nyo,
Violation na ng JC.
so much
Don't memorandum pala.
discretion is given to the office of the Vice President on how to utilize confidential funds. Translate into Tagalog. Unfortunately, I'll be needing, ano pong ibig sabihin, what's Tagalog for discretion po?
Wala yatang Tagalog
Kasi
ang
nga,
discretion eh.
Broad, general, yung program nakasulat sa PFP. Okay? Maski ano na lang, kahit anong gustong gawin, magagawa. Wait, natitan. ng Office of the Vice President sa paggamit ng confidential funds. You want to state in Visaya po?
Kaya niya ibisaya
Kahit
yan. Oh. Okay.
General, generic, ang programa nakasulat sa plano bisag unsa so much discretion. Ma'am, I think you understand discretion, di po ba?
Alam niya yan.
Authority?
Dako ang pagbuot sa Office of the Vice President kung unsaon nila paggamit sa confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Objection,
Dili,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
What's the objection, counsel?
Speculative
Sumagot eh.
and
Hindi, sumagot.
argumentative,
Asked
Your
and
Honor.
answered.
It's not argumentative, counsel.
Sumagot, hindi raw.
Whether it's speculative. Objection overruled. Ma'am Gina, dahil po kayo nagsabi generic yung good governance program, malaking laya ang nabigay sa inyo para magsulat ng kung anumang mga programa na papasok doon sa generic na good governance program.
Dili, Your Honor. Kaya
Hindi.
nagbase ako sa Joint Circular 2015.
It doesn't make
So ang sagot
sense.
ay hindi ganun kalaki ang kalayaang meron sila dahil binase niya yung kanyang accomplishment report
Eh, nakasulat sa specific eh.
JC 2015-1. Tama po, ma'am?
Oh,
Yes, Your Honor.
Nakasulat doon specific eh.
now, showing you again, Madam Witness, the 2022 Physical and Financial Plan. After you prepared the plan, nakasulat dyan, show the document please, it was noted, Attorney J, noted by a certain Rosalyn Sanchez. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. The document please. And thereafter, you presented the plan kay Inday Sara, Vice President Sara, for her approval. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Gipakita na ko sa iya.
In this case, did she provide any feedback on the stated generic, coming from your own mouth, good governance program?
Unsa, Your Honor?
Nihatag ba, I'm sure you know feedback, nihatag ba og feedback si Vice President Sara Duterte sa sinabi mong generic good governance program? Katong imong gipakita ang plano para sa iyahang approval.
Gibasa lang niya, Your Honor, pag human og basa, may perma siya.
Yan.
Babasahin lang,
Saan
pirma.
po pumirma si Sara Zimmerman Duterte? Sa parte ng plano. Saan dyan?
Sa approve.
Approved by. Showing on screen, approved by Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Agency Head, Department Secretary, LCE.
With the indulgence of Attorney Ligutan, what is the pleasure of Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo?
Mr. President, I have here the transcript of the hearing in Congress. Hindi ko po maintindihan bakit parang dito hirap na hirap po siya magtagalog when in fact sa Congress po noong November,
Correct.
Tagalog naman po ang sagot niya. Ang tanong po sa kanya ni Congressman Luistro, payment of incentive, 11 po. Would you know whether this amounts would total 120 exactly? Yes, ma'am. Gitotal ko po yan, ma'am. 120 million po. It's all puro Tagalog, Mr. President. What is this?
Huli ka, Balbon.
Sana pati yung discretionary. And she's a government official. She doesn't know what discretionary
Correct.
means. What it means. Dito
Someone
po,
called the
sumasagot
BS.
naman po siya. English, Tagalog. Yes po. Are you aware? Opo. O may authority, special disbursing officer. Kasi po, wala akong alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential. Tama na po itong panluloko sa atin. Please, Mr. President, compel this witness to talk in Tagalog.
Kaya niya eh.
Bisaya po nakaintindi ng Tagalog, nakakasalita ng Tagalog. Ano tayo sa ibang bansa? Ano tayo, mga Hapon, mga Chinese? I know.
Kahit
Ms.
English.
Witness, you can understand. You can understand Tagalog. You can speak Tagalog dahil nandito po ito. Ilang pahina po ito. Tagalog po yung sagot po ninyo. English po, sumasagot kayo. Tinatanong kayo ng English, sumasagot po kayo. Bakit ngayon parang hirap na hirap? Kailangan i-translate sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, sagot, Tagalog, Bisaya, Tagalog, Bisaya. Abutin mo tayo ng isang taon dito, Mr. President. Ito po, Sumagot naman po siya. Alam mo ba
Nakakatawa si
naman,
Erwin.
lulukuhin tayo ng nagtatranscribe po nito. Sagot po yan. Kasi po, nagbabase lang po ako sa ibinigay ni Sir La Chica ng mga ibinalik niya sa akin. Ms. Acosta, kindly answer the question. Piatos po ang sinabi ko, ma'am, na apelyido. That's all, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Point well taken. Attorney Ligutan, to abbreviate the proceedings, kindly choose one language, English
All right.
or Filipino, in asking the question. You don't have to translate each time unless the witness requests you to do so.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preferably use Filipino, Attorney Ligutan.
Opo.
So I'm
Filipino,
sure you're
Tagalog.
with it as well.
Tagalog.
Para mas maunawaan po ni Ms. Gina.
Honorable Presiding Officer.
You may proceed,
Para
Counsel.
lahat makaintindi.
There's water if you want to drink water po, ha?
Yes.
Drink water. Now, since you said inaprubahan po ng Vice President yung plano, kasama sa inaprubahan ng Vice President yung generic good governance program.
I-approve niya, Your Honor.
Okay. In fact, ma'am, yun din po yung naging tugon nyo sa same line of questioning noong November 25, 2024, as shown by that portion of that transcript. You confirm that it was may approval po.
Guys, I need to
Ng
go.
head of agency.
Pero tatry ko bumalik ang ng
Saka
after
yung head
lunch.
of
Okay?
agency.
See you in a bit, guys.
Is the respondent in this case, Sara Zimmerman Duterte, Vice President. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Let's proceed po sa susunod na punto. Let's go to the physical and financial plan naman. This time, para naman sa 2023. From Good Governance Program, ma'am, this time, Attorney J, it can be seen sa plano, this time, hindi na good governance program, kundi nakasulat dyan, socio-economic program delivery.
With the indulgence of counsel, can the tech please zoom in? Yes, kindly zoom in on it.
May proceed, Your Honor.
Ms. Gina will please answer. Kindly confirm ang nakasulat na po sa 2023 ay yung socio-economic program delivery.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi na po good governance program.
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed, Your Honor. But, sa 2023 Physical and Financial Plan, okay, yung expected outcome naman, nananatili 2022 na expected outcome. Nakasulat, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building for 2022, same expected outcome, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Ma'am, pwedeng mas malapit pa sa mikropono para po marinig. Again, may tubig dyan, ma'am, ha? If you want to drink water now. Therefore, masasabi natin, base sa dokumento, ma'am, yung 2023 Physical and Financial Plan, kopya lang. Kopya lang ng number 1, physical target galing sa 2022. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. The document would speak for itself because the prosecution is asking the witness what is already based on the document as the question is framed, Your Honor.
This,
Witness may answer. I'm just not so sure if she understands the word copy. But so, Ma'am Gina, pareho lang po ang nilalaman ng physical and financial plan ng 2022 at 2023 maliban dun sa nag-iisang unang column. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
yes, Your Honor. Now,